Hey guys, it's me, Amelie, and it's raining. I can't open the door. I got it. Like as soon as I get away, I try again. Oh no! It is raining. It's raining. No! And it's coming back. Like it went away and now it's coming back. No! Oh, look at the ditch. Look at the ditch. I'm gonna swim around the ditch. And come out. Oh my gosh, the ditch is like flooding. Holy crap. Oh, I gotta zoom in on that. Look at the ditch. It's freaking turning into a dirt river. And incense. Oh gosh. I just threw incense. It's right there, that brown little stick. It's that I threw down there. I'm gonna throw this ruler. Should I throw the ruler? Okay. Let's go. Goodbye, ruler. Don't think you can see it. It's like right there. I've got the side of my phone ready. Ah! Okay, there's a person right there. Okay, bye-bye. I'm gonna catch a rain. Okay, so here's what the rain is looking like. And I'm not wearing a shirt under my clothes. Okay.